Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back for another one. Today, I switched out my multi-control function switch and my gear shift. Swaps it out for the chrome. Gives it a whole better look. Yesterday, I went to the junkyard and I got this off of a 97 Mercury Marquis, and I've been sitting on this one for a minute, so all I needed to do was get the chrome shift lever. I have this also done, and this one is also done. I gotta get another one of these. I got this off of a late 80s Cadillac. So I got best of both worlds in one. I just gotta do it to this one. Still got the stock one, but that's alright. Yeah, these are boring. This is how it's supposed to look. If you ask me, they should have just kept this look going. So yesterday I did an oil change on this beast. Man, that oil was black. And the filter that I was on it was totally wrong. So I put a brand new Motorcraft filter, changed the oil, got me a new air filter. Then I also took the throttle body and the plenum off, and I cleaned it all out with carburetor cleaner. I did all this yesterday off camera, But if you guys want to see videos of me doing stuff like that, you want to see before and after videos, then just shoot a comment. Let me know that you guys want to see that. I don't put it in because I figured you guys know what it's about or what it consists of, so I think you guys would be interested. But I did a lot of work on this yesterday, and yeah, it's great. I still got to do quite more things. I got to change the coolant. Got to add some transmission fluid. Someone put in the aftermarket idle air control valve, and I think it's junk. So I'm gonna try to get another one from junkyard, bring it back and clean it up, swap that in. But I mean, other than that, she fires up great. Idle's great. I just don't like that. You can tell it's aftermarket because there's no marking on it whatsoever. It's just straight Chinese aftermarket. Yeah, I gotta change these battery terminals out. I don't like those terminals. But yeah, today I just wanted to tackle this column. Put the chrome column in. Oh yeah, also another thing. I also went to the junkyard and I got a chrome keypad. Got this off a 93 towncar. And I'm going to be replacing this one. Take that black junk one off. Throw this nice chromey chrome on there. Again, I've already done this to this car. That's how it's going to look. So, yeah, I just wanted to drop in, say hello, let everyone know that I still been working on this car. I just been doing it off camera, but I just want to drop in and show you guys that I changed this out, the black boring to the nice cool chrome, bling 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 bling. That's gonna do it, guys. Just want to say what's up, and as always, give me a thumbs up. Peace.